A solitary moment in time, holding me on your fingertip. Quick thoughts of wonder flicker through your mind of my unique composition as I fade like the memory of an old lover's touch. I have heard I am the beauty of a ballerina's pirouette. Some see me like the radiant bride walking to greet her groom. Others say I'm like a mother's kiss on her baby's cheeks. It is said my flakes are like the beauty of a grandmother's handmade lace. Yet others say I am the equivalent of an angel's wing, gently assuring them. The forest blooms, bowing limbs with my delicate weight, creating a kaleidoscope of breathtaking sculptures. I am the winter garden, bursting with nature's diamond rosebuds and Swarovski flowers. At night, as you watch from your window, I perform a silent symphony, like fairies responding to the moonlight's directions. So many see me as the ending of life, yet there is life incubated, buried deep in warmth beneath my cold blanket. I am that first defense, like a mother wolf defending her cubs. I remain impenetrable until the time of rebirth. I am that tangible evidence of the very air you breathe. The breath of life you can almost touch upon exhale. The fickleness of human nature will shun my presence, but oh, how sweet the smiles of lovers are when holding each other and the heat thaws the day's discontent. There is a determined period for my presence, and there will be rivers that carries memories of me. Hills will thrive as I pass through the roots of life. When the time comes to graciously say goodbye, we share a secret smile like young lovers in anticipation of a gentle kiss.